Dear learners, wishing you all the success and happiness in the world as you just start your journey of life and achievements. Today I'll explain the very basic and important terms of rest and motion in physics. So let's make a start. In our daily life, we naturally observe that when anything moves slightly, we can realize very easily that which one is in motion and which one is at rest. But in physics, it's not enough only to realize this. Rather, they have to be well defined. And to do so, or to define them, we can say that if any object doesn't change its position with respect to time and with respect to an origin or reference point, then the object is at rest with respect to that origin. And if any object changes its position with respect to time and with respect to an origin or reference point, then the object is in motion with respect to that origin. Now, what is origin or what is a reference point? I will discuss it in a few moments. But before that, we have to know how to set an origin or reference point. Okay, we can consider any point as origin, which seems static to us, to make our calculation easier. But here one thing is very important, that we have to mention that all the measurements are done with respect to that origin or with respect to that reference point. And this origin is not an absolute one. You can conveniently choose any point as origin. But it's better to choose any static point, and in that case, if you change origin, then both the distance and direction must have different values than the previous one. That is, the previous time you choose that origin. We can make it clear by a practical example. It's a practical overview of a roadside. There are a car, an electric pole, a house. How can we define that the car is in motion? Here the car is in motion, but how can we define that? We can say that if we consider the electric pole as origin, we can say that the car is in motion with respect to that electric pole. And if you consider this house as origin, you can say that the car is in motion with respect to that house. I hope I can make it clear. Now, what is origin or reference point? The reference point is a static or standard point which actually defines the coordinates. And as we know that we have three axes, that is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. The intersection area of this three axes, that is point O, that is origin or reference point. In our daily conversation, we use these terms like standard point, benchmark, baseline, yardstick. And last but not the least, I have a question for you. Suppose you are in an airplane and the airplane is flying in the sky. Now the question is, are you in motion with respect to that airplane? You can answer it as either yes or no in the comment section. Please like, share and comment below, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever new videos uploaded in my channel, and stay with me. It's all for today, so see you in my next class. Till then, take care and bye.